Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Welcome po to Renzo Tarot Channel. Andito naman po yung code para bigyan sa inyo thanks and soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Sige po, ang ating reading po ngayon ay para sa ating mga pinakamalala sa sign ng Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Para sa inyo to. Sige po, mega shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates na lagi nanonood at nakabang. Sa mga panig na Pilipinas at buong mundo, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. At kapag nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading ngayon, don't hesitate to comment, like, and share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Sige, isang shuffle pa Cancer at kukunin na natin ang isang para. Okay, sige. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, give us 10 cards please for Cancer. Sige. Yan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang samang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Kung wala po kayo, ay wala po ang success ng Renzo Tarot Channel. So, nakakuha na po tayo ng 4 na baraha. Last 6 cards please. 5, 6, 7. 3 more. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsubaybay, panonood, at pagbibigay ng napakagagandang comments. Sige. Okay, Cancer, your 10 cards are now complete. Let's begin. So, Cancer, very toxic ang environment ngayon, situation. So, ayan, nakikita natin na iipit ka sa mga talagang nagbabangga ang bato. So, it seems that parang kasalukuyan, it seems that parang gusto mong tumulong, gusto mong gawin itong lahat, pero wala kang choice, wala kang magawa. So, ito yung nakikita natin dito sa 5 of Swords. Okay, Cancer, kung ano man yung sitwasyon na yan, kung wala talagang magagawa, just, take it easy. Ano naman magagawa mo, at least alaman ng tao na concerned ka pa rin, or at least andyan yung willingness mo to help. But you are in a situation, nakikita dito talaga sa 5 of Swords, you are in a situation na parang hirap na hirap ka, although you really wanted to help, or parang gusto mo mag-contribute, or gusto mong gumawa ng paraan, but it seems na wala kang choice kasi parang limited din yung nangyayari ngayon sa sitwasyon mo. And then, we have here the Knight of Cups. I can see here a positive result or positive news coming on your way. May mga paparating na bigla. Unexpected na mga good news maybe. Siguro actually hindi mo nga ito alam na paparating. Siguro matagal na ito. Tapos kung kailan least expected mo pa, saka pa siya biglang darating sa'yo. So, this is good news, positive result or whatsoever. So expect this one because this Knight of Cups, ayun, galing ka sa isang battlefield. You're holding a trophy. So, kampiyonato, championship, victory, success, kung ano man yan, claim it, Cancer. So, we have here also the Death card. Not literally na parang may mamamatay or bad news, but I can sense a negativity here, but more on positivity pa rin, Cancer, kasi Death card means something is about to end. Sa mga sitwasyon, friendship, relationship that is not working for you anymore. So maybe mas lalo na itong pinapatoxic ang sitwasyon, mas lalo na itong pinapalala ang mga problema. So the universe will make a way para tapusin na ito para sa Cancer. Maybe friendship na parang toxic na relationship, trabaho, workplace, or any kind of situation na mas lalong nagkakos sa iyo ng stress or burden sa buhay mo. So expect that. So don't be surprised, Cancer, kung may mga sitwasyon na maaaring magtapos or tanggalin para sa iyo. So don't always expect that if the universe make a way na tanggalin ang mga bagay-bagay or tapusin. So the universe has prepared something bigger, something, mas malaki, mas maganda. At here in this new thing na ibibigay sa'yo ay dito ka makakakuha ng fulfillment, happiness and contentment para sa'yo, Cancer. So, okay, let's continue. I will cover this one because this is a devil card. So there are some people that is working behind your back, Cancer. Parang sinisiraan ka or evil eye. So be careful of evil eye, Cancer. There are some people that is not happy of your success, or maybe they are happy with your current situation na parang may stagnancy or hindi ka makausad or bagsak ka. Masaya sila na tinitingnan ka na sa ganyang sitwasyon. I can see connected to din sa unang card na Five of Swords, maaring sa workplace or maaring, pretending to be caring kind of person, nagpa-pretend na parang they care about you but deep inside parang gusto ka talaga nilang makita bumagsak. Or this Devil card, be careful also, Cancer, with your health. Okay, kasi magkasunod sila ng Death card. So, maybe, especially mental health, I can see her. Cancer, please open your feelings. Communicate to other people, communicate to your friends and loved ones kung ano nararamdaman, i-open to kasi parang hindi masyadong balance or parang hindi healthy ang yung emotional and mental health state. Okay, masyadong pressure. Ang daming pressure ka nararamdaman or nararanasan kasi dito sa Knight of Cups, gustong-gusto mong makamit ang isang bagay but seems that hindi lang umaayon sa iyo ang mga bagay-bagay or maybe you're expecting na ganito darating or ganito dapat pero it doesn't work the way you wanted it. So, Cancer, please take care of your mental health. And yun ang nakikita rin natin dito. Apektado ang iyong kalusugan. So, Temperance, you need patience, balance with everything. Kailangan balansehin ang lahat. So, huwag masyadong negative thinking, huwag masyadong pessimistic. Yes, hindi madaling sabihin ang lahat na mag-positive thinking kasi sa sitwasyon, iba-iba tayo ng sitwasyon. But kung kakayanin, at least kahit may 1% pang chance na, kumbaga sa isang kadiliman, at least kung meron pang liwanag na sumisilip, at least do your part para bumangon pa rin, Cancer, at talagang maniwala na may pag-asa pa rin. So at least do your part in doing things na makakaaliw sa'yo para ma-improve ang mental health mo, discipline na at least kahit paano mabigyan ka pa rin ng positivity na all of this will pass, malalagpasan, lilipas din tong lahat ng mga bagay na to. This is just a test, this is just the universe is just testing you on how and when are you going to give up. Okay, so at least kapag nalagpasan mo to and comes the blessings and comes the positive result, so easy na lang sa'yo kasi you have already the maturity, you have already the disciplined mind and body para harapin ang lahat. Okay? So discipline, kailangan disiplina lang talaga, wag lang mag-give up, Cancer. So this is not the best time para mag-give up. Okay? So talaga meron talagang nag-stalk, gossip. So we have here the Nine of Wands. There are some people talaga is working behind your back. So talagang di tumitigil to mga tao na to. Sino ba to? Cancer? Maybe isa pa to sa mga taong natulungan mo, mga taong you cared before, you showed your love and admiration, but ito yung binabalik nila, paninira, ini-stalk ka nila. They are, although you already parang naging discreet ka na nga, hindi ka na nagpapalata, hindi mo na dinidispose yung mga activities or yung mga ginagawa mo, but still they are making way para malaman yung maganap mo sa buhay. Okay, be careful sa pagtitiwala, Cancer, sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Kung posible, especially confidential thing, kung may mga bagay na hindi dapat pwede ipaalam, don't disclose it. Mahirap na baka makarating sa mga taong to, at kapag ang mga taong may inggit talagang gagawin ang lahat para just for you to fall or to be distracted. Okay, meron talaga. So talagang pinapakita talaga dito, meron talagang tao, Cancer, na talagang gustong-gusto, happy-happy sa nakikita nilang sitwasyon mo ngayon. Okay? So we have here, Five of Wands. So talagang not only one person, two or three, so talagang they are working as a team, Cancer. Sorry, nakangiti ka ba? I'm saying, over time, itong mga taong ito sa paninira sa'yo, sa inggit sa'yo, or but you know what? Alam naman natin ang logic dyan, di ba? Hindi ka naman pagtutulungan, hindi naman sila magtatrabaho overtime para sirain at pabagsakin ka kung hindi ka mabunga or wala silang nakikita sa'yo na something good. Di ba sinasabi nga natin, itong mga tao na ito, siguro may nakikita sila sa'yo na wala sa kanila. That's why they're very envious. They're very envy of you. Talaga inggit na inggit sila. So to the point na nag-invite pa sila, nag-networking pa sila here, So, kaya mo yung, Cancer. Don't be bothered. Don't be bothered. Just be honest. Talagang lumaban ka lang ng patas. Bahala na ang karma sa kanila. The universe will make a way. Yung mga ancestors mo, your spirit guides, sila nang bahala sa mga taong ito. Just go forward. Huwag magpa-apekto. Gawin mo lang kung anong dapat mong gawin. Okay, Hierophant. So, nakikita ko dito talaga, Cancer, you really need. I can see, I will tell you frankly, go to the nearest doctor, magpa-check up. Not only your mental health, but your physical health. But like, I can see here kasi katapat siya ng death card, the same time devil card. So, meron sa inyo siguro may nararamdaman, iniinda lang. Huwag nang palalain ito. So, I can feel may mga cancer sign na may iniinda in terms dito sa banda sa gitna, sa tiyan, at sa dito, sa likod. Okay, ito nakikita ko dito. Maybe pinapalagpas nyo lang, please have a general check-up. Or kung ano man yan, baka lumala. Or maybe that is already a sign for you. Please, if you believe or kung ano man, kung napanood mo ito, please Cancer. At least have an appointment to your nurse doctor, to your health center, magpa-check up. Walang masama kasi, baka mamaya kakainda natin, we're just ignoring the signs of our body. Baka mamaya may ano na pala, may malala na palang problema. Okay, I'm not scaring you. So, mas maganda pa rin ang malaman natin. At least mapaghandaan or alam natin kung anong dapat gawin. Okay? But this is, I can see here na may kinalaman sa kalusugan. Itong Hierophant card. Okay? So, balance, not only about money, about finances, but about your time. Okay, time. Pera din ang may problema din sa pera kasi yung katapat siya sa devil card, maybe siguro may scarcity or parang medyo kinukulang pa. You are looking for something na makakapagbigay pa rin sa iyo ng stability. May pinoproblema about sa money. Maybe may utang or sa payments na dapat i-settle. So also you need to balance kasi not only money but only your time, but also your time. Okay? Energy, presence, so everything kailangan balancing lahat sa'yo, Cancer, kasi baka mamaya ma-overwhelmed ka, baka mamaya pag hindi balance, baka what I'm saying is baka nakafocus ka na sa kakatrabaho or kung ano man yan, nakalimutan mo ng kumain, nalipasan ka na ng tulog, hindi ka na so your energy has been drained, so this is not good, not only for your health, but of course, environment mo. Okay, you need to find the balance. So, tapusin natin tong reading mo, Cancer, with your 10th and last card sa Page of Cups. So, there's still hope. May pag-asa pa rin. You just need to endure. Malalagpas mo din. Kailangan mo lang pagdaanan tong mga hardships. Sino bang walang problema na pinagdadaanan, But Cancer, I'm telling you with this Page of Cups, the universe is sending a message. No, just don't give up. You just need to fight. Harapin lang ang lahat. Walang problemang di malalagpasan, but all in all, at the end, still victory pa rin ang makakamtan mo. You're holding a cup, and this is a harvest season for you. There's a perfect timing for everything. There's a perfect way na ibibigay sa universe. Perfect people na gagamitin. So, just need to hold on. Panghawakan mo lang to, claim mo to, but all in all, Cancer, I'm still congratulating you in advance. Okay? Just need to be cautious, maging maingat lang. Don't, kasi dito yung evil card, lalong-lalo na sa mga tao, ng mga evil eye para sa'yo. Okay? So that's it. I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Cancer ang makapanood ito ngayon. Kapag nagustuhan nyo or nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading, I don't hesitate to comment, like, and share, of course, subscribe. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Nasa mga kayo yung naroon ang mga ginagawa nyo, mag-ingat kayo lagi. And God bless us all.